Have you ever wondered how space sounds like? Trust me, these sounds will blow your mind. I already can see the comments. In space, there is no air or medium through which sound waves can travel, so we can't hear anything. That's true, but space agencies have used specialized equipment to convert other types of data, like radio waves, into audible frequencies that we can hear. Enough explanation. Let's begin with the creepiest sounds in space, and don't forget to comment on which one you find the creepiest.